Hi, my name is Stuart Leslie, and I'm a spiritual garden designer, a landscape designer in Sedona, Arizona. And I want to share with you some of my ideas and design philosophies behind what motivates me to design and create spiritual gardens. You may ask yourself, what is a spiritual garden? I've never heard of a spiritual garden. I've heard of a meditation garden, I've heard of a prayer garden, I've heard of a memorial garden, I've heard of a peace garden. Well, these are all types of spiritual gardens because the common theme that they all have is spirituality. Well, you may say, well, I'm not religious, and I don't want really a garden that reflects my religion. I go to church for that. And that's fine, but I'm not talking about a particular belief system that is just represented in terms of a garden. That's not what I'm talking about. Everybody's sense of spirituality is different, and that's how I design the different types of gardens. It's all based on the individual's belief systems and their understanding of what spirituality means to them. So I just sit down with them and we just have a conversation. And I get a sense after a while of what I think the garden should look like, what it should have in it, what symbolism it should incorporate to reflect their inner sense of spirituality, and what may trigger an awakening or some kind of spiritual experience that gets them closer to spirit, gets them closer to nature, gets them closer to their sense of God, the universe, source, and whatever that may be. There's ways to do that in a garden setting, and there's a way to design it so as to create a conducive environment to allow that spiritual experience, or just that connection, that feeling of calmness. That, how do you say that in words? It's a spiritual feeling that you have, and that is my intent behind the design and the criteria that goes into a spiritual garden. So does that make sense? Or is that just like too deep and too esoteric? You know what? People will understand this concept of spirit guides them to knowing that. They will have a deeper knowing. They will have a sense that I get that. I understand that. My spirit is calling me, and I'm gravitating towards this. That's why I'm even paying attention, is because Spirit knows the value that you can have by enjoying a spiritual feeling or a spiritual garden itself. It doesn't have to be real formalized. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to make a big deal about it, okay? I'm a landscape designer. I'm also a landscape contractor, so I can build what I design, which gives me a lot of fulfillment. And that's a gift that I can provide. I can actually build these things so that you can experience them. We don't just talk about them and wish that they would happen and have it remain a vision. These are not visionary concepts. These are design ideas that can actually go and get built and put in the ground. And that's my intention. That's what I want to provide for anybody that's interested in having them for their backyard or their front yard or their entire landscape. It doesn't have to be a particular space like a backyard retreat. It can be, and it can just be a small meditation area within your overall garden, within your overall landscape. It can be in the front. It really depends on your property, and we walk the property and find the most conducive spot that a type of spiritual garden would be suitable for. And so, of course, after talking with you at length, so we know what to be looking for when we walk the property.